how to use Airtable for inventory. In this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable for inventory. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable, sign into your account, and create a new base. So click on this create button. Then from here, select in between creating from scratch or creating with Omni AI. So I'll simply create mine with Omni AI. So to create an inventory base, you just need to enter the command such as create an inventory on the Omni AI command prompt. And then Omni AI would immediately create your workspace base, which you can actually preview at the right side of your screen. But if you prefer to create this from scratch, here are some key tables that are very important for you to create, such as the products received, sold, and suppliers table, and the fields such as SKU, quantity, location, reorder level, and cost. Now, after that, you need to go ahead and link your records, add formulas, and create views to filter by low stock or category for your inventory. So using Omni AI for generating your inventory base is actually a very wise decision, because through this you can basically just publish this by clicking on this publish button, which you'll find at the top right of this result. And then once you publish this, you can basically just tweak the data based on the data that you have for your device. So you just basically need to click on that publish button to publish this as a base workspace on your Airtable account. So as you can see, they have also created an interface or dashboard which you can use to track the status of your inventory. So you can basically find here all of the stuffs that you'll need for an inventory. So you just need to basically fill in the information that you have and do these sections. You can also import the data that you have on your local device along with the command of creating an inventory for you. And that is how you can basically use Airtable for inventory. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.